Hi gentlemen, welcome in another video. This video I'm gonna show you this new software aiwhitelabel. It is for creating apps or under another thing, a lot of things. You have a lot of tools. By I prefer creating app like this. If you can sell one app for $10 per day, how many would you create tonight? The potential is truly mind-blowing. You can finally create unlimited app across thousands of niche. You're only limited by how many you create. In days from now, you could have thousands, maybe even plus 100 AI tools on sale, and even if they are priced at 1000 each, with one sale per day tonight, things could quickly add up. And of course, this software is not free. There is pricing here, and if you click in my link in description, you will see a lot of things here, a lot of detail, a lot of information. And if this tools is good for your business, you can click in link in description and join to this software. Good luck and happy day. Happy day.